Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking, really heavy bass stereo earphones. It is Bluetooth 5.0 by the way. It is called BitzWolf FYE7. It is their latest model that they just came out. It is under $100, and also I want to mention that this is sent to me by banggood.com for me to cover it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also share this with your friends. Make sure you click the notification button. This way you're going to be notified once we have a new video out. Give us a thumbs up. If you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. This is so good that I fall in love with it, and that's why I am very energetic to tell you that how good this is. So the box is really nicely designed, and once we cut the bottom part plastic open, and we're going to take everything out, the components that are part of this, there is a little paper that came with it that will tell you exactly how many months your earbuds are going to be covered. In this case it's 18 months. Also they have a phone number and contact online support just in case if you're having problem. That's not the only thing. It comes with a nice user manual that are in few languages, but going through it, it will tell you exactly how you can pair it, how you're going to be able to even use it, and the docking station, how long it will take for you to charge it. We will cover most of them in this video. So going next is a little plastic that came inside of a little box. So once we open the box, inside of it you will get your extra earbuds, or called the ear tips. It also comes with a USB charger, which is one side is micro USB, the other side is USB 2.0, so that we can charge your docking station. Now comes the docking station itself. This is really nice looking. Going around it in the front you see the name, and then you have 4 little holes in the front that will show you the LEDs when it's charging, or when you hook up your headphones inside of it so it can recharge. The good part about this is that you can see it that in the front with the lights, you can charge your earbuds 4 times. Yes, that means you used it in total and there's no charge, and when you hook it back up you can use it 4 times. The best part is that it has 500 milliamp poly battery inside of it. That's how you're going to be able to recharge your earbuds. The earbuds itself, we will get into it in a few seconds. Now the good part about this is when you're not going to use your earbuds, it will have a standby up to 120 hours. And when you're going to use it for talking, it will be 3 hours. When you're listening to a music, it's roughly between 3 to maximum 3.5, as we found out when we were testing it. Now another good part is that the docking station itself can charge the box up to 16 hours. Now going in the back part of it, you can see that it has a little button so you can check to see how much of charge you got in the docking station, and also it has a little part in the back so you can connect your micro USB to it so you can recharge the docking station itself, and that requires roughly about 3 hours to be charged as we test it. And again, the way that everything looks is slick. Again, on the top you have a shiny matte and really nice looking. Once you open the docking station itself, you can see that the 2 earbuds are sitting inside, and again it is magnetic. Once you take it out, you want to hook it back up, it takes it really nicely, really firm, and you cannot put it on a wrong one. It will be right and left. And again, here is the earbuds itself. It's really nicely designed. Each piece has been worked really nicely to it, and again you can see it as a diagram that I'm showing that each piece is separate. And once we go back into the video that we have captured, it looks really nice. It looks very rich in this case. When you want to take it away from your phone or from your tablet, it's roughly about 10 meters. So it is a very big long distance for you to lose your connection. When we were testing, we found out that when you reach about 8 meters that it will get a little spotty, but when you reach to 10 it totally gets disconnected. Once you start using it and then you want to recharge it, when you put it back in a docking station, you will see a little red light on top of your earbuds. That means it's charging itself. Good part is that it has a little writing on the headphones itself that will tell you right, and then when you look on the left one it says L for the lift, which is perfect. Now it also have two little spots. That's how it's going to be charged when you hook it back up into the docking station. Now when you want to pair this, you have to make sure that you hold the little button on top of the earbud. So when you are going to be pairing it to the phone itself, in this case that I'm using Note 9, I'm holding the little button on the earbuds itself. It will take a couple of seconds, up to 5 seconds, and then you will be able to see the red and blue is keep rapidly flashing. And then once we went to the Bluetooth itself on our phone, we had to look for it, and it has the name for it, and I'm sure that you're not going to make a mistake. It says BitzWolf, and once you select it, it will take a couple of seconds for it to connect it. Best part is this is Bluetooth 5.0, and your phone, the one I'm using, do support 5.0. This way we will be able to select more than one earbuds in this phone, and each one can control their own sound volume, and this way you will be able to maneuver and play with it. And on top of that, this phone has an awesome bass to it, and you can also customize the bass, the sound, the music itself, so that you will get a better sound out of it, and this earbud does the job for you. I want to mention that anybody who wants to purchase one of these, links will be available in the bottom of the video. Except that, get all of your information for anything, doesn't matter, even if it is about a video player, on our website, which is xctex.info. Except that, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out, and make sure you click the notification button, that way you will be notified more. Except that, thank you.